All right, so you've put in the hours, right? Maybe even days, just cleaning data, running models, digging for that hidden gem. And you found it, a brilliant insight. But now comes the final test, the one that really decides if all that work actually matters. Let's talk about how to turn that data into real impactful decisions.
After you've jumped through all the technical hoops, the biggest one, well, it's often not in the code or the stats. It's in the conversation. It's what we call the communication challenge, that final gap between your analysis and an actual real-world outcome.
Seriously, let that sink in for a second. It's blunt, but it is absolutely true. An insight that nobody understands, well, it might as well not even exist. All that hard work can just disappear in one confusing presentation. The stakes are just incredibly high.
Last time, we focused on using analysis to find that hidden narrative inside the numbers. We found the plot, the characters, the whole shebang. So now it's time to step up on stage and tell that story in a way that actually gets people to do something.
This is where we kind of have to redefine what it means to be a data analyst. You're not just a technician hiding behind a screen. No way. You are a translator, you're an advocate, and maybe most importantly, you're a vital connector.
And yeah, there's actually a name for this skill: insight communication. It's basically the process of taking all those complex findings and turning them into something that someone who's not a data expert can immediately get and use to make a smart decision.
In this final stage, your number one job is to be the bridge. Just picture it. On one side, you've got this mountain of raw data and complicated analysis. And on the other side, you've got a business leader who just needs to make a call. Your job is to build the path that connects them.
So how do we actually build that bridge? Is it some kind of magic? Luckily, no. It really just boils down to a simple, memorable toolkit. Let's break down the 3 essential keys to doing this right. These 3 things right here, they're the pillars. First, you've got to know who you're talking to. Second, you have to fight that urge to make things super complicated. And third, and this is the big one, you have to answer the one question that really truly matters to your audience. Let's dig into each one. Okay, this one is the foundation for everything else. You have to develop some empathy for your audience. Your CEO, your boss, they don't care about how elegant your Python script was or your model's p-value. They care about things like market share, revenue, and keeping customers happy. You have to speak their language. Oh, this is a classic mistake. We all want to show our work, right? Every chart, every table that got us to the answer, but doing that just buries the main point. Remember, your job isn't to show off all your hard work, it's to show the answer. And sometimes an entire project, weeks of your life, can be boiled down to just one single thing. One number, one trend, one core takeaway. Your ability to find and shine a huge spotlight on that one single point, well, that's what separates the good analysts from the great ones. And here it is, the ultimate test. After you present your big finding, I want you to imagine every single person in that room looking back at you and asking, so what? Why does this matter? What are we supposed to do now? If you don't have a clear, confident answer to that question, your analysis just isn't finished. But when you master these 3 keys, you completely transform your role. You stop being someone who just reports on what happened in the past, and you start becoming someone who shapes the future. It's the difference between just making an observation and giving a powerful recommendation. I mean, just look at this contrast. On the left, we've got a fun fact. It's interesting, I guess, but it's passive. We sold more widgets. Okay, so what? But now look at the right. That is an actionable recommendation. It takes the fact and it tells the business what to do about it. That is the leap you have to make. This is the bottom line. This is really the ultimate measure of success for any data project. Did your work actually influence a choice? Did it change a strategy? If the answer is no, then what you did was an interesting academic exercise, not a real business solution. So, let's zoom out for a second and see where this critical communication step fits into the whole data analysis process. It's the final piece of a much, much bigger puzzle. So here it is, the whole journey. It all starts with a business problem. Then you move through getting the data, cleaning it, then into the deep analysis. But notice where it ends. It all leads right here, to step 5, insight communication. This is the final step that delivers all the value from the work you did before. So the final thought is this. The numbers have done their part. They've given you the story. The only question left is, are you ready to be the storyteller who gives that story a voice and uses it to drive some real change?